Top stocks in news: Trualt, Coal India, Jean Kushal, Hyundai, Tata Power, Sammaan and United Spirits. Stocks including Trualt Bioenergy, Coal India, Jean Kushal Industries, Hyundai Motor, Tata Power, Sammaan Capital, RBL Bank and more will be in the spotlight on Friday, 3rd October. 1. Corporate actions today. Shares of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals and Finertex Chemical shall trade ex-dividend, while shares of G and Shilpa Medicare shall trade ex-bonus today. Shares of Poshak shall trade ex-date for split and bonus. Shares of Sumit Industries shall trade ex-split today. Shares of Javeri shall trade ex-date for rights. 2. Trualt Bioenergy, the biofuels and ethanol player, will make its stock market debut on Friday, 3rd October after it raised a total of 839.28 crore rupees from its IPO, which was open for bidding between 25th September and 29th September, selling its shares in the range of rupees 470 to 496 apiece with lot size of 30 equity shares. The issue was overall subscribed 71.92 times. 3. Jean Kushal Industries, the trading and supplying company, will also be listed on Friday, 3rd October, as it raised a total of 116.16 crore rupees via primary route between 25th September and 29th September. It offered its shares in the range of rupees 115 to 121 per share with a lot size of 120 shares. The issue was overall subscribed 65.10 times. 4. Coal India, the state-run coal miners' production in September fell 3.9% YoY to 48.97 million tons, metric ton, versus 50.94 metric tons, while the offtake was down 1.1% YoY to 53.56 metric tons versus 54.16 metric tons during the same period. 5. Hyundai Motor India, the automobile player company, has commenced production of passenger vehicles at its manufacturing facility, Talegaon plant in Pune, with an annual installed capacity of 1.7 lakh units. 6. Tata Power Company, the Tata Group firm's subsidiary, Tata Power Renewable Energy, has entered into a power purchase agreement, PPA, with Tata Power Mumbai Distribution for a contracted capacity of 80 megawatts firm and dispatchable renewable energy, FDRE, project. The capex for the project is 1,200 crore rupees. 7. United Spirits, the brewery player, said the Bombay High Court has quashed 443 crore rupees water charge demands by Maharashtra's Water Resources Department. The court directed reassessment of charges since November 2018 and asked the company to deposit 66.5 crore rupees as interim payment. 8. Sammaan Capital, Abu Dhabi-based Avenir Investment RSA, an affiliate of International Holding Company, has acquired a 43.46% stake in Sammaan Capital for 8,850 crore rupees through a preferential allotment of 63.66 crore shares. It has become the new promoter of Sammaan Capital. International Holding Company is set to launch a mandatory open offer. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.